In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your PayPal account to your Kraken account. So if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. But before starting, I want to let you know that Kraken is currently offering up to 75 euros or dollars for new users. So all you need to do is create an account with the link I will leave on the description below, or you can also use my invite code. And after that, you should see a window with some requirements you need to do. So you will usually need to deposit 100 or 200 euros and then trade them, which can be just converting them from one crypto to another. And after you have completed the task, you will automatically get money directly on your Kraken wallet and you can withdraw it to your bank account whenever you want. Then you can keep inviting more friends, so you will get up to 75 euros for you and every friend you invite to Kraken. So don't forget to join Kraken with the link in the description below. This will be very useful to deposit money to our Kraken wallet. So if you go to your profile at the top right and then click on payment methods, you will find two different payment methods you can configure. So we got the instant buy methods, which are the ones that we will be using for instant crypto purchase. In this case, we can configure a credit card or we can deposit cash through bank transfer. And then we got the deposit methods, which can be a bank account or PayPal account. So if we click on add deposit method, we got the option to link our PayPal account right here. So just click here and fill in your PayPal account details and you will have your PayPal linked so you can deposit money on your Kraken wallet much easier. So that's it. That's how you can link your PayPal to Kraken. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.